Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here my MacBook and of course on my right I have my Bluetooth speakers. Now of course I'm going to show you how to connect a wireless headset or of course earphones or Bluetooth speakers to your laptop. All right, so the first thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and make sure the device is on, which is your wireless speakers. Make sure they're in pairing mode, meaning it's searching or it's looking out for a signal. Now mine blinks whenever it is searching, so of course it's now waiting to accept a connection, meaning it's broadcasting a signal. All right, the first thing you're gonna do in your Mac is to go over to your right hand section and you're gonna tap. All right, you're gonna tap just right here. Let me make sure you tap the right ear. So you're gonna tap the time or just beside the time. All right, so let me show you that again. So if you tap this menu icon here, and I'll try to show you what it is. So try to tap the icon that is showing you the menu. Sorry, so tap the icon that's showing you like a cascading menu. In other words, will bring up this option. Now you'll notice Wi-Fi, you'll notice Bluetooth. So go ahead, make sure Bluetooth is on. You're gonna tap on the option. Then of course go to Bluetooth settings. Now when you go to Bluetooth settings, you can also go there by clicking on the Apple logo and go into settings. All right, so once you're here, there should be several options here. So it says no Bluetooth device, but of course it's going to be searching. You say nearby devices. If it doesn't search, it scan. All right, notice it shows S7, and I'll try to zoom in a bit. Notice it shows S7-1, and that's my Bluetooth speakers over here. So what I'm going to do here, and let me zoom back out. What I'm going to do here is simply, sorry, it took too long, so it disappeared. Let me search again. All right, so I'm going to click it this time. So go ahead and click, hit connect.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All right, now notice as well, it tells me the remaining battery. It's at 70%, so I can disconnect if I want to, or I can close this out. If for some reason it disappears, you can always turn the Bluetooth on and off again and it will continue to scan. All right, so my Mac is now connected to, of course, this speaker from Xbase. All right, so everything should work now. I do not have any sound to test this out, but I know it's connected as the laptop has seen it, and anything I play now will be played through these speakers. All right, so that's a cool little thing that you can do with your devices on your Mac. So see you in the next one, guys, and hope this was useful to you. Bye.